Welcome to the bar at the edge of time. This is what you will see when you enter the theatre. You will sit in a booth like this one. The Bar at the Edge of Time is a story with words and music set in a cocktail bar.
Hello, I'm Gaz and I play Wilkins, the guitarist in The Bar at the Edge of Time.
Hello, my name is Sophie and I will be playing Messa, the MC at The Bar at the Edge of Time. Hey!
My name is Marta and I'm playing Ochoa, the drummer of The Bar at the Edge of Time.
Hi, I'm Dougal and I play Lem, the bassist in The Bar at the Edge of Time.
I'm Burhan and I play Kalam, the drummer in the Bar at the Edge of Time. Sometimes we will sing songs. Sometimes we will play musical instruments. Sometimes we will do actions. Sometimes we will talk to you. In the show, there are things to touch. In the show, there are things to smell. In the show, there are things to taste. In the show, you can choose a drink. You can choose a cocktail or a mocktail. A mocktail is a drink with no alcohol. You can choose to have no drink at all. Either way, it's okay by us. We will have straws, spoons, stirrers, and thickener to help you enjoy your drink. In the show, you can make noise. In the show, you can move about. In the show, you can dance. In the show, you can leave whenever you want. At the end of the show, we will bow and say goodbye. You will leave through the door you came in.